Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 7th class maths. 7th class construction of triangles. One part we have completed when all the three sides are given, how it has to be constructed. Now I am doing construction of triangles when two sides and their included angle is given. You have got example 2 children. What is that example 2? You have to construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters and angle B is equal to 50 degrees. So this is the construction. So let us draw a triangle ABC. AB is 4 centimeters. BC is 5 centimeters. Angle B is 50 degrees. So we have drawn the rough diagram. Now let us go for the construction. So first what we need to do? We have got base AB. AB is equal to 4 centimeters. So I need to take 4 centimeters of AB. So this is 4 centimeters AB. A and B 4 centimeters. Now what you have to do at B, you have to go for 50 degrees. So this is the this is the way you have to keep the protractor, and since our side is here, this 0 to 50. Always you will be confused children whether to take this 0 or this 0. Remember only one thing, which side the line is produced and where you wanted to keep the center of the protractor, that you see opposite side 0 you have to take. Where you have kept the center of the protractor, from there the opposite point, from there the 0 has to be taken and then you count. If I keep A here, I should take 0 this side. Since I have taken B here, at B angle is there, so I kept a protractor at B, so I should take 0 from A and count 50 degrees and I should write it here. Okay, so I have done like that. B as center, 0 towards A I have done. So this is the angle that I have got. This is the ray, we call it as BX 50 degrees. Now what you need to do, B as a center, BC is 5 centimeters, you have to take 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters you have to take the compass, and at B you keep it at B and then you draw an arc like this. That is the arc that you have got. That is point C. Now you have to join A and C. So this is 5 centimeters. This is the construction which you will be getting children. Now let us write the steps. What are the steps? First step, draw AB is equal to 4 centimeters. Second point, draw BX ray making 50 degrees at B. Next, B as a center, 5 centimeters as radius, cut an arc on BX ray at C. This point will give you the entire explanation. You have taken B as a center, 5 centimeters as radius, you have drawn an arc actually, but we call it as yesterday. In the previous video also I said, when you are drawing first time arc, you have to write draw an arc. But you are drawing an arc upon another arc cut an arc, you have to say. Similarly, you are drawing an arc upon a line. Already there is a line and you are drawing an arc. So you have to write there cut an arc. Even though it is the first arc you are drawing, you should name it as cut an arc, because when you are drawing that arc, you are getting a point. Just a line has not given any point. Because of the drawing of the arc, you are getting point C. So you have to call it as cut an arc. This sentence will give you the entire understanding about how it has to be done and what name should be given to that particular point. So, B as center, 5 centimeters as radius, cut an arc on BX ray at C. And fourth point, what did you do? AC, join AC. Fifth point, triangle ABC is the required triangle. So this is the construction for this example, some children. Please note it down. This is example 2. Let me underline so that you will understand it better. Please write it. Now exercise 9.2, first one. Draw triangle CAR, in which CA is 8 centimeters, angle A 60 degrees, AR 8 centimeters. Measure CR, angle R and angle C. What kind of triangle is this? This is the question. So let us first draw a rough diagram. CAR. In this, CA is 8 centimeters and angle A is 60 degrees and AR is 8 centimeters. So first we have to construct this triangle. Then what is CR you have to measure, what is angle R, what is angle C also you should measure and find out what kind of triangle it is, because already you have learned basing on the sides and basing on the angles what are the names given to the various triangles. So with that knowledge you have to do it. So let us first draw AC is equal to 8 centimeters. 0 to 8. This is CA, 8 centimeters. Now what should I do? At A, I should go for 60 degrees. So at A means I should take 0 from C. So that you should have a clear understanding, children. So this is here I have kept. So at A, 60 degrees means this is exactly this is a 60 degrees point, children. So this is 60 degrees. Now let us continue. So I should draw a X-ray. I should draw a X-ray. So this is 60 degrees. Now what I need? I should take AR is equal to 8 centimeters. So I should take AR. So this is 8 centimeters I should take. So with A as center, I should draw 8 centimeters arc. So that is the arc that we have got. This is R, 8 centimeters. And now join R and C. So first let us write the construction steps. What are the steps? What did you do? First one, draw CA is equal to 8 centimeters. Second one, draw AX ray making 60 degrees at A. This is what you have done. Second one. Third one, A as center, 8 centimeters as radius, cut an arc on AX ray at R. So this is the third sentence. And fourth sentence, join CR. Fifth sentence, triangle CAR is the required triangle. So you have done the steps of construction also. Now what is that they are asking? They are asking to measure CR. So when I measure this C and R, even this is also, see I have got 8 centimeters. CR measure is 8 centimeters. So I will take construction of the steps here, and a second bit, as a second bit I'll take it here. CR is equal to 8 centimeters. I got. Next, what is angle R? So no need to write it here, children. You will be confused later on. Just write the measure over there. Angle R. Put here your protractor and see what is the angle you have got at R. So it is also, you will be getting angle R as 60 degrees. Angle R is equal to 60 degrees. And what else they are asking? Angle C. So here also if you keep, you will be getting it, see 60 degrees you will be getting. Okay, so angle C is equal to 60 degrees. So when you have got these measures in this way, let me thicken it, children. Okay, now when you have got CR also 8 centimeters, angle R 60 degrees, angle C is 60 degrees, what we can say? In triangle CAR, CA is equal to AR is equal to RC 8 centimeters, and angle C is equal to angle A is equal to angle R 60 degrees. So with this, what can you understand? Let me write, otherwise if I write it here, total answer will be at one place. I'll write it once again here. In triangle CAR, CA is equal to AR is equal to RC 8 centimeters. Angle A is equal to angle R is equal to angle C 60 degrees. Therefore, it is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal, all angles are equal means it is nothing but it is an equilateral triangle. Please note it down. This is first problem. Now second problem, children. In this second problem, construct triangle ABC in which AB is 5 centimeters, angle B is 45 degrees, BC is 6 centimeters. So let us go for a figure like this. A, B, C. AB is 5 centimeters, BC is 6 centimeters. Angle B is 45 degrees. So let us go for the construction. First you have to draw AB 5 centimeters. This is A and B 5 centimeters. Now what you have to do? Angle B 45 degrees. So angle B 45. So 45, how will you take? From here you will be taking 0. This is 45. So angle B 45 degrees you have to take. This is B X-ray making 45 degrees. Now BC 6 centimeters. So you go with the scale 6 centimeters. So now B as a center, 6 centimeters you have to cut an arc. That is BC. BC 6 centimeters. Now join A and C. Okay, this is the construction, children. So let us see the steps. This is B X-ray. Steps. First, draw AB is equal to 5 centimeters. Second one, draw B X-ray making 45 degrees at B. Third point, B as center, 6 centimeters as radius. Cut an arc. Cut an arc on B X-ray at C. Fourth point, join AC. Fifth point, triangle ABC is the required triangle. So this is the construction, children. Second construction. Please note it down. Here they are not asking anything else. So simple construction. Now third problem, children. Third problem is construct triangle PQR such that angle R is 100 degrees. QR is equal to RP is equal to 5.4 centimeters. So angle R is 100 degrees. So let me write 100 degrees obtuse angle. This is R, this is Q, and this is P. And QR is equal to 5.4 centimeters and RP also is 5.4 centimeters. So this construction we need to do. So first what we have to do? We should take QR 5.4 centimeters. So this is QR, Q and R 5.4 centimeters. Now at R you need 100 degrees. So 100 degrees at R. This is R, children. So here 100 degrees means from here 0 if you take, this is 100 degrees. So here you have to draw 100 degrees R X-ray. R X-ray making 100 degrees. Then RP 5.4 centimeters. So you have to take 5.4 centimeters as radius and R as a center, 5.4 centimeters as radius. You have to draw, cut an arc actually. This is P and join P and Q. So when you join P and Q, this is the triangle. This is also 5.4 centimeters. This is the construction of the triangle, children. Now let us see the steps. First point, draw QR is equal to 5.4 centimeters. And second one, draw R X-ray making 100 degrees at R. Next, third point, R has center 5.4 centimeters as radius. Cut an arc on. This is cut. Cut an arc on. This is R X-ray at P. Next, fourth point, join QP. Fifth point, triangle PQR is the required triangle. This is third problem, children. Please note it down. Now, let us see another construction. You have to construct triangle TEN such that TE is 3 centimeters, angle E is 90 degrees, and NE is 4 centimeters. So 90 degrees, let me take. This is 90 degrees, TEN. So this is the triangle, rough triangle you are getting. This is 90 degrees, this is 3 centimeters, and this is 4 centimeters. So let us draw it. First I have to take TE 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters, T and E. 3 centimeters. At E, I should go for 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. So at E, I should draw 90 degrees. This is E X-ray making 90 degrees. This symbol indicates it is 90 degrees. Then what else they said? You have to draw EN means NE they said. That means N is somewhere here only, no? So we have taken. So EN 4 centimeters you take. So this is 4 centimeters. E as center, draw 4 centimeters arc. That is N. Now you have to join N and T. This is 4 centimeters. This is the construction which you are going to get. So steps. Steps of construction. So what are the steps? First one, draw TE is equal to 3 centimeters. Second one, draw E X-ray making 90 degrees at E. Third point, E as center 4 centimeters as radius. Cut an arc. Cut an arc on EX ray at N. Now, fourth point, join TN. Fifth point, triangle TEN is the required triangle. This is the construction, children. Please write down. With this, I am concluding my part today. In the next class, I am concluding my part today. In the next session, I am going to do the next part.